Samsung's just released Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus flagship phones are the two most powerful handsets the company has ever built. They're fast, they offer a smooth user experience for the most part, and they're wonderfully sleek. Early reports suggest they're not selling anywhere near as well as last year's Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, but that's understandable since they feature a design that is nearly identical to Samsung's 2017 flagships. But feedback so far from people who have purchased a new Galaxy S9 phone seems to be overwhelmingly positive. Some Samsung fans who are holding out and skipping the Galaxy S9 plan to wait until later this year to check out the other high-profile flagship phone Samsung will ship in 2018. No, we're not talking about the hotly anticipated foldable Galaxy X. We're talking about the Galaxy Note 9. Unfortunately, though not surprisingly, the first big Galaxy Note 9 leak brings some news that is less than ideal. It looks like reports claiming Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy Note 9 earlier than the previous model start to pile up. Last week news that the South Korean company has already started working on the firmware for the Galaxy Note 9 much earlier than usually made headlines. Now we have another report coming from Samsung's home turf that suggests the Galaxy Note 9 might indeed hit the store shelves 1 or 2 months earlier than expected. The prediction is based on reports that Samsung Display will start manufacturing OLED panels for the upcoming flagship this month, whereas the company usually starts this process in June. If the information is accurate, then we can expect the Galaxy Note 9 to be launched on the market as early as July or August, the report suggests. The Galaxy Note 9 is said to become Samsung's smartphone with the largest display. Unlike the previous model that boasts a 6.32-inch display, the Note 9 is expected to pack a slightly larger 6.38-inch screen. That's not too much cause for concern though, since this is a very early benchmark and the phone will likely be better optimized before launch, leading to improved results. It's worth noting also that this is the Snapdragon 845 version of the Galaxy Note 9, but there will probably also be an Exynos 9810 version launched outside the US which may well be faster. Other than those scores and the chipset, this benchmark also reveals that the Galaxy Note 9 will probably have 6 GB of RAM and run Android 8.1, though the software may change before launch. Overall, the specs sound very similar to those of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, but that's not surprising, as the Note 9 will probably mostly stand out through a larger screen, a stylus, and perhaps an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The prediction is based on reports that Samsung Display will start manufacturing OLED panels for the upcoming flagship this month, whereas the company usually starts this process in June. If the information is accurate, then we can expect the Galaxy Note 9 to be launched on the market as early as July or August, the report suggests. The Galaxy Note 9 is said to become Samsung's smartphone with the largest display.